Welcome back audience. In this video we are going to show you how to download OpenShot video editor for free. Go to search and type download OpenShot. Click on the first link. OpenShot video editor is the free video editor for beginners. Click on download version 3.3.0. Choose the specific folder for the exe file. Go to downloads. Wait until completion.
A few moments later.
Go to the folder where you save the exe file. Click on OpenShot exe file. And now we can install OpenShot video editor. Click on OK. Accept all the agreements. Click on next. Again next. And install.
A few moments later.
And now you can use OpenShot video editor for free. And this is the interface of the timeline and software. Tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.